think I spent more than you did.
You did. You spent more than me. I can't believe this. My husband brings me to MacKenzie-Childs warehouse sale, and he spends more than I do. I'll have you know that. Remember that.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip. Girl, I wanna see the sun, dive into the deep ocean, dance with you all night long, move as you swing your hips. Let's take a break from the stress and the hate. Feel the loving, feel the rhythm, singing oh na na, oh na na. I wanna go where the birds fly low, feel my heartbeat.
I've had so many requests from viewers who live so far from MacKenzie-Childs, and they've asked me to take them to see what it's like walking in, and that's what I'm doing in this video. They have this beautiful garden outside, and in the fall it's just decorated so beautifully with all these wonderful flowers. Now the pumpkins, I don't know, it's just so heartwarming. Imagine having like a pumpkin latte sitting in this garden, or a coffee or a tea. It's just so, I don't know, to me it's just so invigorating. Their furniture is beautiful. It's all wicker outside, and all these pieces are available for sale. Not these particular ones, but other ones inside. And of course, you know me, I go right to the pumpkin section. Listen, what can I tell you? These are absolutely gorgeous. Could you imagine having this bunch right outside your door? Hello. I mean, look at these beautiful, vibrant colors, the purples, the greens, the pinks, the flowers. Can you tell I'm a nut for these things? I think my heart stopped when I seen this cabinet. I have a confession to make. I am like a kid in Disneyland when I go to a MacKenzie-Childs store. I just go from rack to shelf to table, and I am just lost in the checkered world. Am I the only one that feels like this? Are any of you like me? I have to admit, this little guy is the cutest thing ever. Look at him, and the sunflower, it's almost like a 3D, this pillow. It's so beautiful. These mirrors I've never seen before, and this little vase here, I've never seen that on the MacKenzie-Childs website. I don't know how I missed it. And this is so cute with the beautiful candle and some greenery inside. Oh, the eggs for Easter, that butterfly detail is stunning. Now this egg over here captured my heart. It is so pretty. Now I had been looking for these. Look how adorable this little mug is. Oh, I don't know why I didn't buy it. I could just kick myself now. Really, really hard. My husband said get it, and I didn't. Ugh, I hate when that happens. I think this mocha pattern is one of my favorites, and I love the mixture. Maybe it's the earth tones that I fell in love with. And here's some of their new items, the toaster and the electric kettle. Stay tuned for an upcoming video. I'm going to introduce to you or share with you their new releases and their whole line of kettles, electric and stovetop and whistle kettles and teapots. So stay tuned for that video. This little setup, I think, is so pretty. I love that pink. It's so delicate. I would love to have this area in my house. And this carpet, of course, my husband being Scottish, it would be perfect in my house, but it needs some cleaning. And for those of you who have not been to MacKenzie-Childs, in one of the rooms in the back, they have this beautiful house. It's in a glass case. It's sort of a miniature MacKenzie-Childs house type of thing, or the decor inside. And oh my goodness, the detail in this is just phenomenal. Look at that. The little lamp, everything. And everything is so miniature size. Imagine having to paint all of this in little teeny tiny pieces, and these are replicas of the big pieces. Phenomenal work and detail. Phenomenal. I can't get over how they made those little chairs with a fish and painted all those details. Oh my goodness. And the bed in the back. Every time I visit this place, I always visit this little house in the back, And I really wish MacKenzie-Childs had a little plaque or something attached to it that would give us more details about it. For an example, how many people worked on it, how long did it take, how many pieces are in there. I'm always so curious. This little setup is so cute. Hint, hint to my husband, I need this for my quiet room. I know what you're all thinking. She's back at the pumpkins, but how could I not share the detail in these? They're so beautiful. The pink, just every single detail on it is gorgeous. These little guys are scary. Nah, not really. They're just cute. I don't remember seeing these on the website. Maybe I need to take another look, but I don't recall seeing this on there. Oh, this is my dream. This is the perfect pumpkin patch, wouldn't you say? Which one of these is your favorite? Now, if you were to go out and get a pumpkin now, which one of these would you get? Leave me a note in the comments. Oh, look at him. Oh, I love his hat. Love his hat. Here I'm checking if I still have any money left. Ooh, got a couple of bucks. Let me go back in. When we were finished shopping, we headed out to the town of Seneca Falls. Okay, who are we kidding? I'm never tired of shopping. Right now we are in Seneca, the city or the town of Seneca, and there is where they have the museum of It's a Wonderful Life. It's closed, so I can't take you in there. So I'll take you for a walk in the fall. What more can I do for you? This is a sweet little town. If you have a chance, I do recommend that you visit. Seneca Falls is known for its Seneca Museum and Waterways and Industry. It's really a focus of the industry and the waterways history of Seneca Falls. They also have the National Women's Hall of Fame, which is really to celebrate the achievements of notable American women across the field. My favorite is the museum that is dedicated to the movie It's a Wonderful Life. The theory that Seneca Falls inspired the Bedford Falls. Please come back. I'm going to do an unboxing. I hate that word unboxing. I'm going to share with you what I bought at the MacKenzie-Childs warehouse sale. So stay tuned for that. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up and share the video. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so by hitting the red button below and turning the bell to black so you can be notified when I upload. So for now, take care of each other, be kind, and always remember, you want to reach a point in your life when you say remember when, and never ever I wish I did. I love you guys.